Isn't she pretty? Usually I show the best last, but this is the Complex Culture. It's supposed to be a brand new launch for Boxycharm. It has a $42 value. There's a lot of product in there, and that's actually pretty beautiful. And I'm a neutral to cool tone, so that's gonna work well with me. It's not warm. Okay, so it says it's the Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. All right, let's move on. We got the Yensa sponge. Whoops. It's always good to get a beauty tool, but it's nice to get something to go with it. This here is the Item Beauty. I think it's Addison Rae. They call it the Air Hug Concealer, which is kind of a cute name. Let's see. They always come in these packaging. The shade is 210. That's pretty light. Okay. Let's move on. Dominique. Now, is this Dominique Cosmetics? Yes, it is. The Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. Okay. Be curious to see how well that works. Then we have the Cab Lip Oils, which people seem to be going crazy over. I do like that the doe foot there, it's pretty big, but I'm not sure about trying all this stuff just yet because I have so much. I'm gonna have to go through my inventory. So that's my box. I had variation 39 and the beauty sponge had an $18 value. The Cab Cosmetics a $39 value. The concealer, $18. The primer serum is $28. And then that palette is $42. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. I can't wait to talk to you there. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.